For that, first click on insert. There we will find table content and index, and table of content, index and bibliography. Again dialog box will appear. You will write down here the name of the table. You will write down here. After that you will select the type and then you will click on OK. Clear? You can see this kind of things appear in your LibreOffice Writer. This is called table of content. Means if we want to add any content, we can add in this computer, working of computer. And one more, working of computer. Yes, one more thing, we can also apply the character styles. How we can do? Again, insert table of content and then this. Here you can see if we want to change the character styles, then how we can change. In place of type, we have to click on entries. In entries, first point is here. You want to change the structure for hyperlink, for chapter numbering, for entry, for tab space. What kind of changes you want to make? Here are the different levels. And if you want to change here character styles, you can change from here. And whenever you make any changes here, you can see all changes will display here. Like this. Suppose I write simple source text, default character styles. Any character styles you can select from here. Definition. Any character style you can select from here. And next one is styles. अगर आपको level wise, if you want to select the styles in your syllabus, only type and entries are there. Clear? Now you can see this kind of things will appear. This again they add the one more table of content, because we also click on the table of content. If we just set the character styles, then that styles will apply only on the characters. And you can also edit and one more topic is here, choosing paragraph style for heading level. But suppose we want to choose the paragraph styles for heading level, then how we can do? We just click on tools. There we will find chapter numbering. Click on it, and from here you can select the level, and here you can select the paragraph styles. What kind of styles you want for your paragraph? Heading 4 you want, heading 9 you want, whatever heading you will select, your data will appear in that mode. And you can also change here from here character styles. Suppose you need placeholder, visited, bulleted list. According to your requirement, you can set all these things here. And after that, click on OK. Now, next topic in your book is edit, updating and delete the table of contents. Suppose that this is my table of content and I want to edit this table of content. I just right click here and then edit index. When you click on edit index, again table of content dialog box will appear. Select anything from here that you want and then click on OK. This is called editing. And after editing, you can also click on update index. And next is delete index. Means if you don't want to use this table of content and you want to delete that, then you will use delete index. When you delete index, it will remove the index automatically like this. I hope all these points are clear to you.